Hi, I'm Wes Kurtz, and this is General Chemistry 2, Lab 3, Le Chatelier's Principle. Sit here, got everything ready to go. I've got a ice water beaker and also a hot water beaker here set off to the side. I'm going to be using those here in a few minutes. Um, in this lab, I will be observing a reaction at equilibrium. What I mean by that is both sides, the rate is equal, not the concentration. So I'll observe a reaction at equilibrium, and then I'll put some type of stress under it, for instance, the cold water or the hot water, and observe how that changes the equilibrium according to Le Chatelier's principle. So let's get started. Step 1, I've done ice water and the hot water. And then step 2 is to add 5 drops of magnesium chloride to C1, C2, and C3, and C4. Let me... Okay. It says to C1, C2, C3, C4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops to C1 and C2, okay. And 10 drops in cells C3 and C4. Alright. Got that taken care of. Alright, next step is to add phenylpropyl. I'm not even going to try to say that word. Tip it there. C1, add 1 drop. 1. Right off the bat, you can see reaction occur. The liquid turns a milky color. So next step is to add some sodium hydroxide to C1, C2, C3, and C4. 5 drops of each, or 5 drops in each. Ooh. Right off the bat, I don't know what is interesting. Three, 4, 5. Okay. Interesting, very interesting. It's turned into a very dark purple, pink color right now. So, and it is saying to add rice, 5 drops. All right, got that taken care of. It says to record my observations there. So right there what I added was sodium hydroxide to the solution. So I'm going to write down sodium hydroxide. It turned it a very vibrant purple, almost purple pink color. See if there's anything. It still looks kind of cloudy in some areas. In other words, the consistency isn't very good. It looks stringy almost. So I'll write that down. All right. Next is to add 1 drop of hydrochloric acid. Real quick, I'm gonna get some of my materials clean. There we go. All right. So next I've got hydrochloric acid here. Add 1 drop into what cell? C1. Stir and record my observation. So I turned it back to a milky color here. Interesting. It went from pink there to a milky, back to the original milky color. So I'll record my observation there. There I add your hydrochloric acid. Turn back to original color. Kind of a cloudy clear. And so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a drop of EDTA to cell 2, and then I'm going to get these bulbs and get the solution into the bulb, and I put them under a stressor. I'm going to observe what I see and record it in my data and get that all together and write my lab report and turn it in. Thank you.